Welcome back to the series, how to win every single bounty hunter game with every single character in the game, every single hunter. Today's episode is Angel. So now Angel, of course, we have Awake. We don't need to have Awake at all, that's no issue. And of course the pet, we are using Caldera. So that'll be on the force set, number 3 right there. Caldera is just a personal choice. So we're going to have to select Angel. Now I can upgrade her again, we can do Awake 2, I'm not going to do that yet. Yeah, that's my selection right there. Attack speed, of course, distance and movement speed. So let's get straight into this. Select Bounty Hunter. Now she is pretty easy to win with every single game, so you're going to get a lot of trophies, a lot of gems, a lot of points, a lot of everything. So let's get straight into this one. Let's load up. So the first thing we'll do is come straight to the middle if you can. Try to get the book first. You'll see her for a minute. Now we're going to go damage, not XP. We're going to go damage again. Let's look for a few people. We will be getting hurt. Oh, we could be dead. Oh, they got the heart. We need the heart. We got one. Just about. We're going to go distance right there. Try and stay back from him. Going to go there. Oh, Spider Queen, trouble. So I'm going to go dodge chance. Dodge chance again. We're going to sit in the middle, try and get the book again. We're going to go distance. Right there. We're going to go damage. Got to get that Spider Queen before she throws a spider at us. Oh, crap. We got to go. We're going to do movement speed. Take the portal. The spider should be gone by now. Oh, that was tough against Ripper. There's the spiders again. Back to the portal. Get the heart if we can. He got the book. No biggie. Those spiders will have to hit us, I guess. Okay, I don't think she has Death Strike on. So distance. We went distance there. We're going to sit in the middle. Attack speed, right there. They're on 22 kills, which isn't bad for this character at all. There's Ripper. Take him out if we can. Nope. Voodoo. Okay. We got a few there. Nice. We're going to go distance again. To keep that range, attack speed, we got the Book of Power right there. We're on 29 kills, 290 points. Should be an easy win. I'm going to go dodge chance again there. We're going to go movement speed. Probably should have picked an XP, but I don't think we really need it. I'm going to sit here now and just take out. Oh, okay. We're going to go damage. We have a lot of distance right here. We cover most of the map, so it should be easy enough. 30 seconds left, 44 kills in the bag already. We're going to go attack speed right there. Attack speed is probably the most important ability in this game, except in some game modes, like just Hunter, what's it called? The normal hunting mode, especially if you're playing as the Skullmaster. You don't want attack speed, you want to just keep moving. So, this is too easy at this point. 54 kills. We're going to go HP and damage. Right there. I'm going to sit here now. 58 kills, 59 kills, go 60, 61, damage. Bang, 62 kills right there. That was far too easy. There we go, we got 6 dungeon gems, lovely. Got a few pieces there. And that is it. That is how you win every single game with Angel herself. So let's have a quick peek what the next one will be for the next one in the series. Okay, we're going to go through every one of these. So I already have the first 4 done. And Angel, next is Voodoo. So thank you for watching, I'll see you on the next one.